After you see the topic arrangement for the paragraphs, now you know that everything comes from thesis statement that you set in the introduction. According to different cultures or even languages, some people are not used to put main idea up front. In terms of academic essay in Western cultures, the subject or your belief to argue about must put up front instead. Why was it so serious about the position of the thesis statement and topic sentences? Well, without thesis statement, there were no topic sentences. There is only one idea in an essay, and the rest are just sub-ideas from the main as a support. Remember this, and you will not miss out making several ideas. For the conclusion, result shall be the consequence of the argument, after the detailed facts been backed up as a support. Reasoning and comments oftentimes are normally opinions and emotions, while factual proofs are cold truths. Once discovered, they will not go away.